Let us continue the second chapter on page 30 and 31. The previous class we have discussed about uses of bacteria. Now we are going to study about harmfulness of bacteria. Bacteria are parasite. What is parasites? It is an organism which live on host, that is other organism. Bacteria causes disease in animals and plants. Diseases caused by bacteria in human beings are tuberculosis, typhoid, tetanus, etc. It also spoils milk by curding it or by turning into curd. Food also spoiled by bacteria and it develops foul smell and bad taste. Next, microbes are algae. Algae are microorganisms. They perform photosynthesis because they have green pigment chlorophyll. So they prepare its own food by itself by the process of photosynthesis. Hence they are called autotrophs. Basically, algae live in ponds, that is water area, and also at moist places. On the basis of pigments present, algae is classified into three basic classes: green algae, blue-green algae, and diatoms. Examples of green algae are Chlamydomonas, volvox, etc. And the examples of blue-green algae are Oscillatoria, Anabaena, and blue-green algae. Since they live in group, these blue-green algae are called colonial autotrophs. Some of these algae are used as fertilizer because they can fix atmospheric nitrogen to usable nitrate compound. The next type of algae is diatoms. Diatoms are marine algae. What does it mean? Because these organisms live in seawater, so it is called marine algae, which float in water due to the presence of storage fats along with silica. Fat and silica are the different substances which are present in light amount. So this helps algae to float in water. Now let us see the different uses of algae. Algae are used in many purposes like medicinal purpose, and it is used in industry, it is used as a food, and it is used in agriculture, and it is used in space. In space, algae is used as a source of oxygen and also it is used as food. Blue-green algae is used in fixing the nitrogen, that is atmospheric nitrogen, into nitrate compound, which will be used by plants. It also harmful to us. It is toxic and parasitic and also causes water pollution. It also damages textiles and buildings. Now let us see the other organism, that is fungi. Fungi is present everywhere from desert to cold region and also in the dark place, warm place, moist places. They all are of different sizes. It may be unicellular, some are multicellular. They don't have chlorophyll, so they cannot prepare their own food by themselves. So they may be saprophytic or parasitic.